How to insert PDF text into your Word. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily move or copy your text from your PDF to Word. So first thing, simply head over to your Word application. If you haven't already, just make sure you have successfully installed the Word application. So once you open your Word application, what you need to do is just click on this insert over here. If you are on home, just click on insert, make sure you are on this, and once inside here, just head over to this section, right section of your screen, and just click on this arrow button, and you can see there is an option called text from file. So just click on it and just locate your file from over here, and as you can see there is a PDF file. So to insert a PDF file text, what you need to do is simply click on insert and a pop-up will appear. Just click on OK, and just like that, your all of the text inside of your PDF will be extracted here, and you can just check it out just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily extract or bring your text from the PDF file to Word. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.